You've got your clients in one database and your projects in another, but they don't talk to each other, so you're copying names back and forth by hand. Let's fix that in Notion properly. By the end, you'll click a client and see every project linked to them automatically. This is the one Notion skill that changes everything. Let's build it. New page, client workspace. First database, an inline table called clients. This holds the people or companies you work with. Nothing fancy yet, just a list of who they are. The connection comes later, and that's where the magic happens. One property on clients, a status select. Active, for who I'm working with now. Lead, for potential clients. Past, for finished relationships. Keeps my client list clean at a glance. Let me add 3 clients. Acme Corp, active. Blue Sky Media, active. And Green Foods, a lead. 3 clients in my database. Now on their own, these are just names. Watch what happens when we connect them to their work. Second database, right below, called projects. This is the actual work, the deliverables. Every project belongs to a client, but right now projects has no idea clients even exist. Let's introduce them. A stage property on projects, not started, in progress, delivered, standard project workflow. But this database is still an island. The whole point of this video is the next step, connecting it to clients. 4 projects, website redesign in progress, logo package, not started, social campaign in progress, and brand guide delivered. Now I have 2 separate databases, clients here, projects there, and 0 connection between them. Time to build the bridge. Here's the key. On projects, I add a new property, and instead of text or select, I choose relation. Notion asks, relate to which database? I pick clients. I name it client, and I turn on show on clients, so the link goes both ways. That's it. That single property type, relation, is the bridge between 2 databases. This is the thing most Notion beginners never learn. Now I connect them. Website redesign, I click the client field and pick Acme Corp. Logo package, also Acme Corp. So Acme has 2 projects. Social campaign goes to Blue Sky Media, and brand guide to Green Foods. Watch it, I'm just picking from a list, no typing, no copying names. Each project now points to its client. Now scroll up to clients and look at this. A new column appeared all by itself. Projects. I never created it because the relation goes both ways. Acme Corp now shows its 2 projects right here. Blue Sky shows its 1. This is the moment it clicks. 2 databases, 1 link, and both sides update each other automatically. Add a new project tomorrow, link it to Acme, and it shows up under Acme instantly. You never maintain 2 lists again. One relation does the work forever. Your future self will thank you. One more level. I want each client to show how many projects they have. On clients, I add a property, type Rollup. A Rollup pulls data through the relation we just built. It asks, through which relation? Projects. Rollup what? Let's count them. And there it is, a live count. Acme, 2 projects. Blue Sky, 1. A Rollup reaches into the connected database and brings a number back. And Rollups do more than count. You could pull each client's project stages, their deadlines, their budgets, anything from the connected database shown right on the client. Relation builds the bridge. Rollup sends data across it. Those 2 features together are the heart of every serious Notion system. Look at what we have now. Clients that show their projects and a live project count. Projects that know their client. 2 databases behaving like one connected system, and you built it with just 2 features, relation and Rollup. This clients and projects setup is just one example. The same 2 features connect tasks to projects, books to authors, expenses to categories, anything to anything. Once you understand relation and Rollup, you stop building lonely little tables and start building real systems. So that's how you connect databases in Notion. Relation makes the link. Rollup carries the data across. Master those 2, and there's almost nothing in Notion you can't build. It really is the skill that separates beginners from people who run their whole life in here. Free template with these 2 connected databases is in the description. If you want to go deeper, my formulas video pairs perfectly with this. Link right here. What 2 things do you want to connect in Notion? Tell me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.